Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. So today we will be discussing 25 GK questions. First question is, recently which state government has raised the insurance limit on surrogacy policy for women up to rupees 10 lakh? A. Bihar, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. Second, recently who became the oldest Indian to swim across the English Channel? A. Siddharth Agarwal, B. Vikrant Kashyap, C. Anand Kumar, D. Vikas Rao. Correct answer is A. Siddharth Agarwal. Question number 3. Recently, the Prime Minister of India launched Jal Sanchay Jan Bhagidari in which state? A. Gujarat, B. Assam, C. Rajasthan, D. Kerala. Correct answer is A. Gujarat. Question number 4. Recently, the 100-meter steel bridge, which is part of Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project, was inaugurated in which UT? A. Lakshadweep, B. Ladakh, C. Dadr and Nagar Haveli, D. Pondicherry. Correct answer is C. Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Question number 5. Which ministry recently launched Building and Other Construction Workers Management Information System Portal? A. Ministry of Labor and Employment, B. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, C. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, D. Ministry of Consumers Affairs. Correct answer is A. Ministry of Labor and Employment. Question number 6. Recently, which ministry has launched the guidelines for seaplane operations in India? A. Ministry of Defense, B. Ministry of Civil Aviation, C. Ministry of Urban Development, D. Ministry of Agriculture. Correct answer is B. Ministry of Civil Aviation. Question number 7. Which airport became the first Indian airport to achieve net zero carbon emission airport status? A. Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, Ahmedabad, C. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Mumbai, D. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad. Correct answer is A. Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. Question number 8. Which country has emerged as the top recipient of Indian government aid to foreign countries according to the Union Budget 2024 to 2025? A. Nepal, B. Bhutan, C. Maldives, D. Bangladesh. Correct answer is B. Bhutan. Question number 9. Which government authority recently introduced a helmet camera system in North Bengal to prevent train accidents? A. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, B. Indian Railways, C. Central Electricity Authority of India, D. National Human Rights Commission of India. Correct answer is B. Indian Railways. Question number 10. Which state assembly recently passed Apartment and Property Regulation Amendment Act 2024 to control the spread of illegal colonies? A. Punjab, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Uttarakhand, D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Punjab. Question number 11. Recently, which city in Gujarat has been selected for the establishment of the new semiconductor unit? A. Gandhinagar, B. Sanand, C. Vadodara, D. Ahmedabad. Correct answer is B. Question number 12. Indian Post Payment Bank recently marked its 7th Foundation Day. Operates under which ministry? A. Ministry of Home Affairs, B. Ministry of Commerce, C. Ministry of Finance, D. Ministry of Communication. Correct answer is D. Ministry of Communication. Question number 13. Recently, where was the 7th Rashtriya Poshan Mah launched? A. Jaipur, Rajasthan, B. Gandhinagar, Gujarat, C. Patna, Bihar, D. Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Question number 14. Which state government recently introduced real-time safe travel facility for women through dial 112? A. Odisha, B. West Bengal, C. Bihar, D. Haryana. Correct answer is C. Bihar. Question number 15. Recently, which state has reported an outbreak of acute encephalitis syndrome primarily affecting children? A. Gujarat, B. Bihar, C. Odisha, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Gujarat. Question number 16. Which ministry hosted the Lighthouse Tourism Conclave 2024 in Puri? A. Ministry of Tourism, B. Ministry of Defense, C. Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is C. Question number 17. Recently, the Prime Minister of India inaugurated a new airport in which district of Uttar Pradesh under the Udan scheme? A. Raebareli, B. Mirzapur, C. Saharanpur, D. Meerut. Correct answer is C. Saharanpur. Question 18. Raigad Fort is located in which state? A. Rajasthan, B. Kerala, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is D. Maharashtra. Question 19. Which state government has recently introduced new rules for appointing the Director General of Police? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Haryana, D. Punjab. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. Question 20. What is the primary objective of the PAIR program launched by the Anusandhan National Research Foundation? A. To enhance research capabilities in Indian universities. B. To promote sports in educational institutes. C. To improve digital infrastructure in rural areas. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. To enhance research capabilities in Indian universities. Question 21. What is the name of the newly declared district in Uttar Pradesh for the management of 2025 Mahakumbh in Prayagraj? A. Sangam Nagar, B. Mahakumbh Mela, C. Triveni Nagar, D. Melapuri. Correct answer is B. Mahakumbh Mela. Question 22. Which city has become the first in India to fully implement all three new criminal laws? A. New Delhi, B. Chandigarh, C. Bhopal, D. Patna. Correct answer is B. Chandigarh. Question 23. What is the name of public distribution system supply chain optimization tool launched by Government of India? A. Foodnet, B. Anachakra, C. Greenflow, D. Green Optimizer. Correct answer is B. Anachakra. Question 24. Which organization jointly developed the Amrit Gyan Kosh portal? A. Ministry of Education and Niti Aayog, B. Capacity Building Commission and Karmyogi Bharat, C. NABARD and RBI, D. ISRO and DRDO. Correct answer is B. Question 25. As per National Family Health Survey 5, what is the total fertility rate of India? A. 1 is to 5, B. 2.2, C. 2.0, D. 1.8. Correct answer is C. 2.0. Thank you.